Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, but nobody is talking about what happens to your data when you hit send. What if I told you that the most powerful AI agent currently available doesn't live in the cloud? It lives right here on your local hardware. Today we are setting up Agent Zero. It's private, it's autonomous, it's about to change how you use AI forever. No subscription, no tracking, just raw private power. Stop scrolling through mediocre AI wrappers because if you want an AI agent that actually gets things done, you need to see Agent Zero. This is an organic general purpose framework that uses your computer as a tool to write code, browse the web, and run terminal commands, all within a safe Docker environment. It is fully transparent and customizable, meaning you can change you can change the entire behavior of the framework just by editing a system prompt. The recent 2026 updates have been massive, introducing a brand new skill system with built-in expertise for debugging, security audits, and database design. It's even supports multi-agent cooperation where the top-level Agent Zero can spam sub-agents to solve complex tasks, while you stay in control by a sleek new real-time web UI. Whether you use GPT-4, Claude, or local models via Olama, Agent Zero is the ultimate sovereign infrastructure for anyone serious about AI. This GitHub repo is available on GitHub under the name of Agent Zero AI / Agent Zero. I will also going to share the link in the video description. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how we can set up the Agent Zero. Let's start how to install Agent Zero on Ubuntu 24.04. As you can see, this is my server and the version of the server is 24.04. 24.04 server we are using. Now what we are going to do, we are going to install the Docker on the server and then Agent Zero on the Docker. Agent Zero is an autonomous AI agent framework that provides a powerful web interface for running and managing the AI agent. First step is let's update the server. So straightforward, the command is sudo apt update sudo apt upgrade -y. So we are going to update and upgrade the servers like we need a up-to-date server. This is just simple step. Now we are going to install Docker. We install Docker because Agent Zero runs inside the Docker container. We are going to run the Agent Zero inside the Docker. So let's install the Docker. However, I already installed it, so I'm just showing you like what is the command for installing the Docker. Docker.io -y. And there is some error coming. What is this? Error is saying pkg problems resolver resolve generated breaks. This may be caused by help package. So, but like after installation of this package, this is the command which you need to run on the server. So it will going to show you that your Docker is installed. After installing the command, you have to just run the couple of commands like systemctl start Docker. So we are just going to start the Docker. Okay, what is this? System, yeah, spelling is wrong. So sudo systemctl start dot docker, correct? And then enable the Docker. Instead of start, just enable. Yes, my Docker is enabled now. And now let's verify like your Docker is installed or not, and what is the version of the Docker. So straightforward command, nothing is there. Here we can verify Docker version 29.3.0 is built in. Let's create the agent file. So as we can see here, there is nothing. Like we have to just create one Agent Zero file for installing the Agent Zero AI framework in the particular file inside the Docker. Now let's pull the Agent Zero, download the Agent Zero image. So command is very straightforward. Docker pull Agent Zero AI /agent -0 latest. And we can see like images, this is showing image status is up to date, agent 0 latest, and Docker having the latest image. Now we are going to run the command which will going to verify the container. Yes. So by docker run -d name agent 0 p, which will going to ensure that agent 0 is in the background and ensure that it is automatically restart after the server reboot. Like for example, your server is get rebooted, then it will, agent 0 will going to be automatically started. It will not going to stop and then you have to re-log in on the server and then restart the server. So yes, our setup is ready. Now let's finally validate like how we can check. Okay, then go to the server, your browser, just go to http colon and your IP address. As you see, we just mention here, and then colon 5000001, and here it is. You can see our agent is ready. You have successfully installed the Agent 0 on Ubuntu using Docker. In this next video, we will explore how to connect AI models and create autonomous agent. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing my channel. If you watching till here, and mention Shark in the comment box, so I will show you how to integrate the APIs in the agent. Like we have to just integrate the agent setting, like agent configuration and so on. Thank you very much for watching the DocShock AI.